if you're experiencing crashing issues with The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Keeping the game updated can fix bugs and improve stability. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or optimizing your settings. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. Temporarily disable any mods or custom content you have installed. Go to the game options and uncheck the mods box. Restart the game to see if the crashing persists. If it stops, one of the mods may be causing the issue. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the game launcher to repair The Sims 4. Right-click on the game in your library and select the repair option. This process will fix any corrupted files that may be causing crashes. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing the quality of graphics can help improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes, especially on lower-end systems. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize or eliminate the crashing issues in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider seeking help from the game's support forums or community for further assistance.